The famous Japanese car manufacturer Suzuki is bringing the new updated Baleno facelift for the Indian market next year. The new Baleno will be based on Suzuki's new Heartect platform. The premium hatchback was first launched in the Indian market in the year 2015 and it was a success for the company. The car is one of the most popular hatchback in the premium segment till now. The Baleno received the first update in the year 2019 and the addition of a smart hybrid powertrain. Suzuki is now planning to bring the facelifted Baleno for the Indian market with some additional features and few cosmetic changes both in exterior and in interior. The company has a plan to bring these facelifted versions in the first half of 2022 at the expected price between Rs 6.20 to 9.50 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch in the Indian market, the new Baleno will be the rival of Tata Altroz, Hyundai i20, Honda Jazz and the Volkswagen Polo. Talking about the power, the new facelifted Baleno is expected to continue the same BS6 compliant 1.2-liter K12M petrol engine capable of delivering 83 PS of power and 113 Nm of peak torque, and 1.2-liter K12N dual-jet petrol engine with SHBS, which can generate 90 PS of power and 113 Nm of peak torque. The engines will be mated to an optional 5-speed manual or CVT transmission. In terms of exterior design, the new Baleno facelift is expected to get a classic aerodynamic design and a number of features. Upfront, it will get new sharp, sleek LED double-barrel projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, new sporty honeycomb front grille with Suzuki badging at the center of the grille, deeply raked windshield, slick back air inlets with some honeycomb pattern, and updated front bumper with bumper-mounted chrome-accented bezels and LED fog lights housing with plenty of black cladding. The side profile will not receive major changes. It will likely to continue the power wall beams with integrated turn indicators, body colored door handles, tinted glass, blacked out B and C pillars, chrome strip at the windows, large wheel arcs and new setup sporty polished crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile will receive new setup wraparound LED tail lights, Suzuki badging at the center of the boot, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, rear spoiler with spoiler mounted emergency braking light, rear fog lights and rear reflectors, and newly updated sporty rear bumper with black cladding. The interior of the new Baleno is expected to be updated with a number of modern features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new silver accented dashboard setup with dash mounted AC vents, D-cut electric power adjustable leather wrapped third bottom 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, smart instrument cluster with 4.2-inch TFT multi-information display, freestanding 9-inch large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth navigation system, smartphone connectivity and USB port, premium sound system with 4 speakers, remote trunk opener, front and rear cup holders, automatic climate control, vanity mirror, push button start and stop, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with adjustable driver seat and rear seats with 60-40 splitting options and bigger boot space. The hatch is expected to get a number of standard safety features which includes ABS with EBD, automatic emergency braking, brake assist, emergency stop signal, electric stability control, cruise control, pre-collision system, dual SRX airbags, central locking, engine immobilizer, seat belts for driver and passengers, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, seat belt and door hazard warning system, speed sensing automatic door lock, child safety lock, and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.